What's going on YouTube? Thanks for coming back for another video, and today we're going to be talking about weeds and how I get rid of them or how I deal with them. I'm going to show you some products that I use and as well as some other techniques you can use as well. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, before I show you the products I use to spray the weeds, I'm going to show you a couple of examples of some weeds that are present in my yard right now. Right now we have some clover. And then we also have some dandelions, it's a little right there. And then another, not necessarily weed, but this is technically grass. It's bermudagrass, but it likes to go into these little cracks. So I'm going to show you guys how I get rid of it. A couple methods, but it's pretty simple. Alright, so I'll show you what I use. Alright guys, so one product that I like to use is called Weed Be Gone. You can find these very easily at Home Depot or Lowe's or any home improvement store. I'm pretty sure they'll have it there. The reason I like this for two reasons. This one, it's pretty safe on all the lawns because this only kills the weeds, not the lawn, which is different from something like this, Roundup. Now Roundup, this one is weed and grass killer, so you need to be careful. If it says grass killer, you don't want nothing happen to your lawn. Don't use this, okay? But if you just want to get rid of the weeds and keep your lawn safe, you want to use this one, okay? So the other reason I like using this product is because it's very simple to use. All you need to do is hook up your water hose to this end, and you just go out and spray your lawn. And I'm gonna go show you guys how to do that right now. Alright guys, like I was saying before, all we gotta do is hook up the water hose to this end and then we'll spray. So I'll go ahead and hook it up right now. So then you want to turn the water on, but before you do, want to make sure, not sure if it'll focus right here. Make sure it's on the off position. Okay, so once you got the water on, it's gonna be right here in the off position. And once you're ready to spray, just flip it all the way up to the on position, I meant. Okay, ready? Put this back versus off. So you don't have to spray your whole lawn, you could just spray where the weeds are present. There's kind of like a spot spraying. So just look around, see if you see any more. Okay guys, so that's how you spray the weeds in the lawn. But let's say you want to get rid of some grass, I guess you could say, like this. There's two ways that I do it. One, you could always just use this, spray some Roundup, and then it'll die in about a week or so. Or another thing you could do is use the shovel. Alright, so to use a shovel, I like to use this one because it has a little pointy tip, and then I'll put it right here inside the little crack and just start going at it. Or if you want to do all this, like I said, you can use a Roundup. Just go ahead and spray it in about a week or so. You can just come out here with the weed whacker and go ahead and just weed whack it off if you like. I like the shovel because it's right then and there. Once I'm done, I'm done. I don't have to wait or nothing like that. So, either one's fine, whichever one you prefer, Roundup or the shovel. You could do either one. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of that bermudagrass and all these cracks. So I'm going to take it out with the shovel, and I'll show you. This is before, and I'll show you an after when I'm done with the shovel. All right, guys, so there you have it. Like I was saying, these are just the methods that I use. There's actually many different ways to do that, and maybe in the future videos I will show you those other ways to do them. All right, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.